Well, the time has come where I gotta kill some queens. I got some new queens coming in the mail, hopefully today or tomorrow. And I gotta get rid of these queens that I got here because they're a little bit too aggressive. And hopefully by springtime, they'll be producing mad honey and doing well. They're Italians and I'm gonna be installing them tomorrow. We'll be filming that and I'll show you how to do it. And right now I'm just gonna be catching some queens and killing them on them away, getting rid of them. Alright, we're gonna just go through the hive and locate the queen. Hopefully we'll find her. So I found the queen. If you can see it, it's right here. And they are pissed off. So I'm just gonna throw her in here and they'll take care of her. And I'm gonna close this hive off because they are pissed. That's what you call pissed off bees. Well, I killed the first queen, and hopefully now I'm going to look to this other hive. Well, I couldn't find that one after being stung 3 times. I said, maybe I should quit. 4 times. Fucker. All in the same hand. Wow. We got some early morning chemtrailing. This is basically the world's elite, lowering the population. No bueno. Going good. Let's go check it out. Well, I got my queens in the mail. You can see they are right there. There's the dotted queen right there, and there's the other one over there. But these are Italian queens. I'm going to be putting them into my hive right now, and I'll show you how it goes. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a frame with a rubber band around it and put the queen in her little cell that the bees are going to eat through in there. So we're just going to remove this little cap right here, like so. Put a rubber band around it. And that's it. And then I'm going to go add them to my hive. As you can see, they're really active. and they're already a little pissed off. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put this queen in here and see how it goes. This was the hive box that I had found the queen and killed her. So here's their new box. This is their new queen. I'm just gonna set her down. Well, I still can't find her. And I'll just keep checking the next couple days, probably for a couple days at least until they open up that and release her. Hopefully I'll find her, I don't know. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you very much. Look at all those stingers. This one's losing its stinger right now.